You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home Inspire. Guess what, guys? I'm so excited. I am finally through shopping for my daughter's bedroom. This package from Wish was the last of the Mohicans. Okay, so um, it actually came early. I ordered it 2.5 weeks ago. They said it wouldn't be here till April 4th. You guys, this was on my doorstep today. Kudos to you, Wish, because they did that. Okay, I'm not gonna get too excited because they probably won't do this again, but I liked it so far. Plus, I ordered it from my phone with using the app, and I got an extra 15% off for using my phone app to make the order. But guys, I ordered these lights, and I thought, wow, these are considered like bedside lanterns, and yeah, I thought you just connect them to the wall, pop a battery in it, and they'll have this nice little glow. Like these things are real lights. You actually have to connect them to the wall as if you was connecting a ceiling fan or a chandelier. You got to go in with an electrician and drill a hole into the wall and install these bad boys. And that is not going to happen. So that's my fault, not wish. They came just as they are. They look gorgeous. And I'll leave a link down below because I think I paid $7 for these. I'm just going to save them for one of my future clients. Maybe I might have a home that in the future that's coming up to work on because I do that quite often. And so that's what's going to happen with those. So they are a cancel. Okay, so we went into the at-home store because, hey, I got another coupon in the mail. Well, actually in my email. And so I thought, yeah, let me go take advantage of that because they did have a sale on bins as well. And I got 10% off coupon of my entire purchase. And these were $9.99. Although they were in the 50% off section, I thought that they were going to be 50% off. But you know how home at home does it. They have a red line going across the price when it's on sale. And this one did not. But so anyway, I just try to pretend like I didn't notice that. But I didn't get an extra 50% off. I had to pay the regular price. And I'm fine with that too. So I ended up getting 5 of them. They are gray, but they kind of also cast off a wheat like color because the top is like a tan. So I wanted some kind of wall art, and I did want a wall painting versus another mirror because Lord knows I got a lot of mirrors in this girl's room. Okay, so this was great. It kind of cast out all the colors that we're using in her room, and I really like that. It was $19.99. Okay, so I also plan on stenciling the backdrop on her wall. I just could not find the right stencil. Michael's also had a 50% off with a coupon online, and I downloaded that bad baby. And this was regularly $18.98, and I got it for 50% off. And I actually love the pattern. This is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to use her silver metallic paint. It's kind of got a pearl finish into it as well. So I'm going to use that. It is a gallon paint that I purchased. And I've also got this brush that they suggested to do the brush strokes. So I'm looking forward into doing that and hoping everything works out well. Okay, so my daughter do not have an overhead lamp in her room. She's been using a floor side lamp stand, a floor stand lamp, whatever. Anyway, so she has this lamp in her room from floor to normal height, and it helps with doing her hair, but it can also get dark when the sun goes down. So I wanted her to have an overhead lamp in her wall and her ceiling. So this is going to dangle over her actually working station so that when she's working on her client's hair, she will have a light casting over the two of them and not behind her or in the backdrop. So she'll actually have a lamp hanging from the ceiling. And I like this particular, they're sold separately, but I like that this one comes with the outlet that you plug into the wall, and you can attach it to any lamp head that you want. So it's totally up to you. You don't even have to have a overhead lamp. It can be something that you build from the ground up. So I really like that. It comes with the up and down switch, or you can plug it into a wall that has a manual switch on the wall that will cut it on and off for you. I actually like it. It's already silver, and so I'm gonna take this little wire cage and paint it silver as well. Probably put bejewel it. I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about it. Okay, so after we left Michael's, we went to Marshall's, and we found this beautiful 100% cotton queen size bed. It's a 5-piece set, so it came with 2 pillows, 2 shams, and a comforter. So the 2 pillows are what you're seeing in the front. They are these beautiful pillows. I'm getting ready to pull them out. And the first one is this beautiful embroidered stitched pillow. And it has this nice satiny finish fabric on it. Only thing I don't like is the pillow. The pillow that's inside of this pillowcase is like a cheesy pillow. So I'm gonna replace it with a nice feathered down feather pillow because I believe in that. So you can zip this off and and add your own stuffing, as well as the other throw pillow that's silver. You can take the stuffing out of it and replace it too as well. And I definitely will be doing that. These pillows are gorgeous, especially the silver one, because it matches those tweeted curtains that you guys saw me haul. Oh, and I just wanted to share with you and show you that the other pillow did unzip as well. So it is not a waste purchasing it because nothing's worse than having a pillow that you purchase and you cannot take the cover off to wash it. Uh-uh, not having it. Okay, so this is like a nice embroidered threaded type pillow as well. Now, as far as the shams, they are plain. They matches the comforter itself, and it is a raised textured print. It actually feels like it's like overlapping fabric, like ocean waves or whatever. Kind of remind me of her bathroom wall a little bit. Absolutely love it. The bedding is nice and plush and thick and bright white. She needs something bright to brighten up that room because her walls are super, super dark. And these are her choice of colors. And I'm hoping that she do her best to keep this white, bright white and nice and clean. I'm going to be monitoring it pretty well. I told her that I'm going to have her own bird's eye view when it comes to this bed. So, it was not on sale, but it definitely was affordable. It was $79.99. And Home Goods has some really nice ones too for $89.99. Or was it the same price? Yeah, I think they were all the same price. $79.99. But I actually like this one because it incorporated this silver pillow, and the silver pillow is what got me because it matched the curtains so well. Also, in the backdrop on the picture, it shows a black headboard with the same color walls and behind the headboard that's in her room currently. So I already liked what it looked up against that dark gray, so it gave me an idea. And last but not least, I told you guys I needed some more liquid gold paint, and I had to go and get some because I got to finish that picture that's in the living room. Well, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Later, Gators. Bye.